Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 4300 5-40 Rotary Toolkit. When it comes to choosing a top-tier, high-quality rotary tool, the Dremel 4300 is certainly near the top of the list. This powerful corded rotary tool features a 1.8A motor with a speed range between 5,000 and 35,000 RPM. This Dremel rotary tool comes with a detachable work light, a universal chuck, and several accessories, including grinding and rotary sanding tool wheels, cut-off wheels, carving bits, and more. All of these items fit into a hard case to keep them safe and organized. During testing, the Dremel 4300 proved to be incredibly powerful. Even when cutting through thick steel, this Dremel tool barely slowed down, meaning it was able to cut through faster than any other model. We really liked the detachable work light on the collar, and removing it and swapping it for other collars was a breeze. It's also worth noting that this kit came with the best accessories, including Dremel's EZ Lock cutoff wheels, which don't require a tool for swapping the discs on and off. Our only complaint with this Dremel saw was that when running over 20,000 RPM, there was a noticeable vibration regardless of the accessory and the chuck. What our tester said: "It's hard to beat the sheer power of the 4300. I've used it for cutting, grinding, and drilling, and it's never let me down." Glenda Taylor, product reviews tester and writer. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Goxawee Rotary Toolkit. Whether it's for crafting, metalworking, or woodworking projects, the Goxawee Rotary Toolkit offers an affordable way to get to work. More than 100 attachments and accessories come with this handy tool, so users can tackle stone, glass, or metal engraving, as well as cutting, wood carving, model making, metalworking, and more. It features a 1.3A motor that generates speeds between 8,000 and 30,000 RPM. Goxawee's rotary toolkit was the big surprise in our test. It came with all of the accessories most DIYers will ever need, including cut-off wheels, grinding stones, sanding discs, and polishing wheels. It also came with a guard collar for safety, as well as replacement brushes for maintenance. It ran smoothly and had enough power for most tasks, but it was noticeably underpowered compared to some other models when it came to cutting the steel. At number 3, we have the HOTO SnapBloq cordless rotary tool. The HOTO SnapBloq RRA04 is a small but surprisingly good rotary tool designed for craft and precision tasks. Its 4-volt brushless motor spins up to 22,000 RPM, providing more torque and control than most mini rotary tools in its size class. During testing, it excelled in fine sanding, engraving, and polishing applications where a full-size corded model would have been cumbersome. The pen-style grip and quiet motor made it easy to handle for long stretches without hand fatigue. We found it very effective for small silversmithing tasks, where larger tools were just too difficult to control. We appreciated the tool's integrated USB-C charging, which simplifies recharging, and we liked the modular storage system that keeps all 38 accessories neatly housed. While it's not designed for heavy cutting or grinding, its smooth performance and refined control make it a standout option for light-duty use and hobby projects. For detailed craft work or small repairs, the SnapBloq RA04 proved both efficient and fun to use. What our tester said: "I was very impressed with the performance of this pen-style rotary tool. It's easy to maneuver for fine detail work, and it has enough power to do the job quickly." Glenda Taylor, product reviews tester and writer. At number 2, we have the Dremel 8150 cordless rotary tool. The Dremel 8-volt rotary tool offers professional performance in a cordless, handheld format. With a brushless motor and variable speed range of 5,000 to 30,000 RPM, it's both powerful and refined. We found it ideal for making intricate cuts in wood and plastic with minimal vibration and noise. And The tool's compact shape and comfortable grip made it easy to maneuver for long sessions, even on delicate detail work. The size is quite an improvement over the bulkier early models. We especially liked the built-in LED work light, which was very bright and improved visibility during close-up projects. The USB-C charging system adds another level of convenience. While it doesn't include a hard case and costs a bit more than entry-level kits, the 8150's consistent performance and precision control made it one of the most capable cordless rotary tools we've tested. It's an excellent pick for hobbyists and pros seeking Dremel quality without the cord. And finally, at number 1, we have the Worx PowerShare Cordless 20V Rotary Tool. The Worx Maker Sex Cordless Rotary Tool offers a modular approach to crafting and small-scale DIY projects. Powered by Worx's 20-volt PowerShare system, it connects to a compact hub that supplies power through a cord. The handpiece is small and light, and we found it easy to control and maneuver. During testing, the tool's speed range, 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, gave us excellent control for polishing, engraving, and fine cutting. The slender grip and low vibration allowed for steady handling, even during intricate detailing work. The Maker X's brushless motor ran smoothly and stayed cool throughout testing, and the 42-piece accessory kit gave us plenty of options for shaping and finishing. We appreciated that the kit also includes the Maker X heat gun, expanding its creative potential for hobbyists. The need to connect the handpiece to the hub detracts a bit from convenience, but the overall performance and portability make this system a strong choice for precision-focused tasks. The Maker X rotary tool is best for light to medium-duty work, where control matters most. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.